What's up guys, welcome back to RCJ Original. I am unboxing a product that I ordered on Daraz.lk for Rs.650 including shipping. Inside this package there is a ring light for smartphones. I think it was mentioned as rechargeable selfie ring light. Keep watching till the end to learn more about this product. Lighting is a key factor in creating a successful image. Lighting determines not only brightness and darkness, but also the tone, mood and atmosphere. Therefore, lighting is necessary to control and manipulate light correctly in order to get the best texture, vibrancy of colors and luminosity on your subject. This ring light is good for YouTubers and other content creators who make videos about makeups or motivational vlogs or TikTok using their smartphones. Light is vital in photography as it can alter the mood and effect on how your final photo turns out. If you are a product photographer, you can use it in many different ways and your creativity is the limit. This ring light has 3 dimming levels and is 3.25 inches in diameter. If you guys want me to make a video on how to use this selfie ring light for product photography, please leave a comment in this video and don't forget to subscribe. It will light up my YouTube channel. And that's it guys, hope you all like this video. Please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Peace.